Hello student, how are you? Hope you all are fine. Taking the lesson of agriculture forward, in this series today we will discuss about horticulture crops, non-food crops and fiber crops. Horticulture crops. Horticulture refers to cultivation of fruits and vegetables. In 2008, India was the second largest producer of fruits and vegetables in the world after China. Fruits. India produces both tropical and temperate fruits. In India, leading producer of mangoes are Maharashtra, Andhra Pradesh, Uttar Pradesh, West Bengal. Leading producer of oranges are Nagpur and Cherrapunji. Leading producer of bananas are Kerala, Mizoram, Maharashtra and Tamil Nadu. Leading producer of lychee and guavas are Uttar Pradesh and Bihar. Leading producer of pineapples is Meghalaya. Leading producer of grapes are Andhra Pradesh and Maharashtra. Leading producers of apples and pears are apricots and walnuts are Jammu and Kashmir and Himachal Pradesh. In the area of vegetables, India produces 13% of the world's vegetables. India is an important producer of pea, cauliflower, onion, cabbage, tomato, brinjal and potato. Non-food crops basically refers to rubber. Basically, rubber is a plantation crop. Rubber is a crop of equatorial region, but it is also grown tropical and subtropical region. It requires moist and humid climate. It requires temperature 25 degrees Celsius. Annual rainfall required above 200 centimeter. Rubber is an important industrial raw material. It is mainly grown in Kerala, Tamil Nadu, Karnataka and Andaman and Nicobar Island, and also in Garo Hills of Meghalaya. In 2010-11, India ranked 4th among the world's natural rubber producers. Many of items made by rubbers like auto tires and tubes, cycle tires and tubes, camelback, footwears, belts and hoses, latex foam, tipped goods. But in large amount of rubbers in making auto tires and tubes. We can say that large amount of rubbers used in making auto tires and tubes. Fiber crops refers to cotton and jute. Cotton. India was the second largest producer of cotton after China. But in India, cotton, jute, hemp and natural silk are major fiber crops. The first three are derived from the crops grown in the soil. The latter is obtained from cocoons of the silkworms fed on green leaves, especially mulberry. Rearing of silkworms for the production of silk fiber is known as sericulture. Cotton. India is believed to be the original home of the cotton plant. Cotton is one of the main raw materials for cotton textile industries. In 2008, India was second largest producer of cotton after China. Cotton grows well in dry parts of the black cotton soil of the Deccan Plateau. It requires high temperature, light rainfall, 210 frost-free days and bright sunshine for its growth. It is a kharif crop and requires 6 to 8 months to mature. Major cotton producing states are Maharashtra, Gujarat, Madhya Pradesh, Karnataka, Andhra Pradesh, Tamil Nadu, Punjab, Haryana and Uttar Pradesh. Jute. Jute is also known as golden fiber. It grows well on well-drained, fertile soils in the floodplains where soils are renewed every year. Basically, it grows well in alluvial soil. It requires high temperature and humid climate. It requires heavy rainfall. Generally, it is used in making of gunny bags, mats, ropes, yarn, carpets, etc. Due to high costs, it is losing market to synthetic fibers and packaging materials, particularly the nylon. Major producers of jutes are West Bengal, Bihar, Assam, Odisha and Meghalaya. Now students, I am giving you some assignment related to this part of the chapter. Hope you will be complete the assignment on time. That's all for today. We will discuss next part of the chapter in next video. Thank you.